Right, that should be recording. Right. Hello and welcome to JDStone Creations. My name is Johnny, and obviously from the title you already know what this is, because if I did that thing where you go, ooh, mysterious title, no one's going to watch it, are they? It's a risky business, this YouTube thing. God, these hiccups won't go away. Boing. This whole headcam business is quite interesting because you kind of think the camera will look where I look, because it doesn't, because currently I'm looking to my left, because I have eyes that swivel and then move up and down and stuff without moving my head. I missed a bit. Wow. God, I hate hiccups. Well, it's well packaged. Let's start with accessories because they're here. A thingy made out of stuff that has, yeah, it's good, it has protective cover on. So there's your pickup cover. Not pickup, electronics, whatever. You know what it is. Yeah, a bag of stuff. Christ, there's some weight to that. Let's have a look at some stuff. Strings. So there's the electronic-y things. The, God's sake, I can't remember the names of anything. Pots. Potentiometers. And the P-coops. Tuners. Well, they ain't going to be locking tuners, are they? Yeah. Ooh. Actually, they've hardly got any play in them at all. They even come with protective sticky things. Straplet. No. Straplet? No. What are they? Roundy things. With big screws. Ooh, maybe that they hold the neck on. Ooh, the bridge. A whacking great piece of probably cast. It won't be steel or aluminium, but whatever the hell they could get their hands on. Let's see. Well, it ain't magnetic. And last but not least, cable, which is cheap, but a right angle. Sweet. Body on neck, body on neck, body on neck, body on neck. Eeny, meeny, miny, fuck it. Wow, that's really, really light. Oh, hiccups are going to be the death of me. Woohoo, bubble wrap. Big bubble wrap. Oh, that shut you up, didn't it? Oh, have I found the thing that makes you stop noising? Good grief, this is really, really light. Well, while I'm actually doing this, I might tell you a little bit about it. It's from a company called... yes, a company called... who are in Dublin, Ireland. But this particular one was a B-stock. Spares and repair, sold as seen, blah 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 blah. Because it has a bit of a problem with it. And no, it is not that this body is, well, crap. But I'm going to excuse it for any of its problems, because it cost me £58 and £12 postage. Which, for those fans of maths, equates to £70. Well, actually, had I ordered it, I don't know, a month earlier, it probably would have only been about 60 quid, but since a bunch of cretins has completely fucked us and tried to make us leave the EU, our currency isn't worth anything anymore. So, actually, that's not that bad. Oh, that smells good too. There's a problem there, but... yes, it is a thing. There's a thing that goes on there, which means that is not an issue. Happy days. And the cavity on the back is... not bad. And... ooh, that fits snugly. Snugly. Yes, and that's where the holy things go. The holy things. How many pieces is this then? 1, 2... Really? Only a 3-piece? That's quite impressive. Yeah. And it's got the gut cut, as I call it. Don't know why anyone else hasn't called it the gut cut. See, this is going to be fun because I can't actually play bass. Okay, I've just seen the hell. A bit of filing. See, one of the things that I did actually buy this particular kit for, not just because it cost me £58. It was just because it cost me £58 actually, couldn't think of it. Still, I was considering buying other kits. I was actually going to buy 5-string because I wanted that low B, but then I just thought, well hang on, the 5-string's just as long as this, so why don't I just string this up as a 5-string, but without the high string that's completely pointless. It's a bass! If you want high notes, play guitar, or even better, play keyboards. You can play anything on them. I saw a couple of kits that didn't actually have pre-drilled holes for the bridge. Although, I have just thought, what if they're in the wrong place? I'll end up with a bass that has a 34 1/4 and 2/16 scale length that'll have absolutely no relevance to the fretboard at all. Which may not be a bad thing, actually. Because this, that I am holding right here, is is the reason why it was so cheap. Because the normal retail price of these guitars and basses, whatever the hell it is, stringy thing, the normal price of these bassy stringy things was £120. I may be wrong, I may have completely made that up. Tell you what, I'll put you a link on eBay, on YouTube, on the whatever. I'll put you a link to it because the service has actually been great. They sent it proper track post, the listing was comprehensive, it said, this is a beat stock up item only, it's spares and repair, so to speak, but the rest of the kit is perfectly intact, apart from the neck. Although, they did state that the neck was usable and repairable, so I'm hoping that it's not going to be too bad. But the thing that was wrong with it, good grief, this has taken a long time. Oh, it gets bigger at either end, there's no way out. That's what she said. What? I wanted to save this packaging so I can use it for other things. Apparently, the neck is warped. Is it? Ooh. Ooh. It's twisted. But it, huh. Interesting. Oh, it's, the nut is okay, actually. Headstock. No marks on that. No cutout, really. Cutout, freight. What's the word for that? Missing bits of wood. I don't fucking know. I don't really care. That's interestingly so. Oh, and then they've. Okay. So they've chamfered the edge of that off, so it doesn't matter how good your cut is there, it'll fit anyway. Bit of a cheating way of doing it, but effective, I suppose. Hey, look at that! I could fit a 26th fret on that. 25th, 20. Yeah, it's a 25th. It, another fret. Don't know why the hell you'd want one. Right, hang on. Let's get rid of this box. Stay. Okay, I'm done with the newbie knifey sleazy nosely. Oh. Cool. Now, this is one of the main tests of quality. What I'm hoping for here is a very, very snug fit that when I push it in, I can pick up the body with the neck. Well, as it is, it doesn't even go in. So that's actually probably quite good, to be honest. Well, if I can't get it in, then that means I can sand it on the bobbin sander, or even just with a planer, possibly. I know you don't sand with a planer, but the principle's there. Well, I do like that they match. There's some thought gone into this. I'm starting to crush the edges of that bit, so actually, and I think the neck is the part that's probably the nicest cut piece. That is actually a lovely piece of wood, that. I'm going to have to put a lot of teak oil or wax or something on that to make that gleam, because, saying that, I don't think the wood will stay wood-coloured. I think it'll be going multicoloured in some way. Do you know what? That, as a kit, I won't say just yet. See how completely warped the neck is first. There is some warp on that, but what, to maybe 0.5 millimetre in the middle? I don't know how well you can see that. It's interesting. It's a bit higher on one side than it is on the other. It's not necessarily warped, more twisted. They simply said the neck is warped not beyond repair, but just beyond where the truss rod can cope. I'm probably just going to assemble as is. For 58 quid, f it, who cares? Yeah. And on that note, I think I will post another video soon. With ideas of what to do with it, because I don't just want to assemble it as a normal base. That's boring. I've got to do something interesting with it, surely. Well, there is a kit base from wherever the hell I got it from. I think it's Guitar Warehouse or Guitar Centre or something like that. Time to get assembling, or time to get planning, or time to have tea. Time to have tea. Thank you for watching. And as always, stay creative. I'm gonna have to find another space for it to go on the wall, aren't I? Can it go anywhere else here? Christ, I haven't even posted any of the videos for this stuff. Huh! I need to get on with things.